Hello everyone, how are you all? My name is Soumya. I'm your psychic, a tarot card reader plus healer. So today my topic is all about what are your person current feelings for you and what can they do next for you, basically next move for you. Okay, so I have here three options as you can see here. Pile 1 is this Modern Witch Tarot pack. Pile 2 Light Seekers Tarot. Pile 3 is Muse Tarot. If you can't see, let me show you like this. Pile 1, Pile 2, Pile 3. So you can pause my video and choose your pile. So let me repeat. Pile 1, Pile 2, Pile 3. Choose with your intuition whichever pile is suiting you or whichever deck you want to choose. Choose with your intuition. Okay guys, so let's start with our pile 1. So those who have chosen pile 1, Modern Witch Tarot, let's see what is there for you. What are your person currently thinking right now? Okay, let's see first. Angels will please guide me. What are pile 1 person currently thinking right now? Please guide me wisely. The Fool, the first card. This person could be Pisces, Scorpio. I'm getting lots of fire energy also. Sagittarius, Aries, King of Wands, reverse. I got another card, Ace of Wands. So there is lots of fire signs over here. Okay, and end of the deck is Seven of Swords. What is your person currently thinking right now? Basically, this person want to move forward with you in life. They want to have kid, but somewhere this person is stopping right now with King of Wands. They want to meet you up. They want to make some family also, and this person is stopping right now. Something is stopping them right now, and like they have moved already forward with you. Those who have chosen pile 1 with the Fool card, they have taken already leap of faith before, but right now this person is not taking a moment. This person will be very slow. For some, this person could be a very fishy right now. They don't want to marry you basically. If you are married, this person will take very slow move for everything. Your person might be hiding something from you right now. Okay, what I'm sensing this. That's why they are in a King of Wands energy, which is they are not taking moment because they are hiding something, pile 1. And this person will be taking a move once they don't hide their feelings and they take leap of faith for you, and they will be taking action very soon. I'm getting like most of vibes like fiery. They want you very very badly, in the sense like fire signs, or you might be wanting them too, because energies are vice versa over here. What I'm sensing, this person is hiding and running away from you from many things, and with the Ace of Wands, I'm getting lots of sense like they want you, they want you, they want you. They can't live without you. But at the time, something is stopping them a lot right now. So let's check out their next move. What is pile 1 next move for them? What is pile 1 person's next move for them? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Queen of Pentacles. What is pile 1 person's next move for them? Spirit, angel, please guide me relevantly. Knight of Pentacles. So lots of Libra is there. Capricorn, Taurus. Nine of Wands. So you might be, I'm sensing this right now, you are focused. Okay, and this person is watching you on social media, or they are stalking you somewhere, but they are not showing up. This person is taking very slow move to come forward to you, and I'm also sensing like you are the person who have guarded themselves, whether this person will be coming or not. They are being very slow, they are hiding their feelings, you know that basically. So you are like, you are not worried, you are a stable woman or a man over here. So you are focusing more on your work and guarding yourself, and this person is will be taking very slow move to come towards you with Knight of Pentacles. And let's see more. Five of Pentacles. So there's lots of chasing and running and chasing going around with you, pile one. I'm sensing this right now. So this person will be coming up to you, but in a very slow way. If you're thinking they will come up to you right now, yes, within a 1 month, this person will be taking action for you with the Ace of Wands. They will be making leap of faith, but this person is hiding their feelings and keeping themselves quiet. They are going with their mood only. They are treating you also with their mood, with the Hermit card. So let's see what is more there for you from my energy oracle. So what is pile one person currently feeling right now? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is pile one person currently feeling right now? Please guide me wisely and relevantly. Angel Spirit, please guide me relevantly. What is pile one person currently feeling right now? Third chakra, Archangel Samuel. Maybe the third chakra is blocked, which is, I feel, a heart chakra and under the stomach. What I am getting intuition. So this person could be elder than you, 37 years old. Somewhere the chakra is blocked. So Archangel Samuel is still with them. They are trying to open their chakra, and he is trying to help this person. So what is pile one person currently feeling for the person right now? Action. So this person will be taking action within a next 1 month for some, and for others this could be in within a weeks, particularly 1 week or 2 week or 3 weeks. I can't say a particular numerology thing because I'm not a numerologist or astrologer over here, nor even a pundit. So I'm directly saying, like, I'm a psychic, so I'll say with my intuition I'm getting a vibe of within a month or some few weeks later. Okay, number 17 can be important for you. So in 17 days there could be something happening over within a 17 days. So what is pile one person's next move? Spirit angel, please guide me. Door to personal healing and happiness. So right now your person will be going to some healing. They are going to some healing because I said that third chakra is blocked. They will be taking very slow move. Right now they are stopping themselves. For others, this person is thinking a lot, thinking twice to come forward with you. And for others, this person could be a player. Okay, I'm getting this kind of vibes. Number 34, 37, 17 are very important number here. So for you, there is a message. You need to keep patient. This is your card, guys. Number 16. This is your card. Number 16 is also very important here. And let's see what are pile one person's love feelings are for you. So what are pile one person currently feeling? Angel Spirit, please guide me relevantly. Give your relationship a chance. For some, you are dealing with your ex. For others, if you are in a new relationship, you might have fight. There is a lots of runner chaser, cat and mouse, Tom and Jerry energy. So it is like that. So this person will be coming up towards you within a 1 month or within a weeks, and they will ask for you for a chance. So it will be in your hand that you want to give them chance or not. So this person could be from your past, and your throat chakra is blocked basically, or this person throat chakra is blocked too right now. There is no communication. So there is playfulness and engagement. So this person will be coming up towards you and they will be asking you for a commitment once again. There will be some patch up, hook up again, and this person will be coming with a childlike energy, a playful energy. Like they wouldn't be able to stop themselves. So what is the end of the deck? This could be the one. So this is your partner you have already met. Okay guys, so this is your partner already you have met right now. Maybe they could be your ex or your present partner. For others, This could be your ex who's coming up back for pile 1. So let's see for pile 2. If my reading is resonating with you here, please let me know on comment box. Pile 1. Now we will move to pile 2, those who have chosen this Light Seers Tarot pack. Okay, let's see pile 2, what is your person's current feeling and what can be their next move for you. So what are pile 2 person currently feeling right now? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is pile 2 person currently feeling right now? What is pile 2 person currently feeling right now? Please guide me with one card, Angel Spirit. This person is overthinking basically. The Emperor, oh my, sugar daddy. Plus, this could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Aries is very strong here, and I'm getting vibes of Sagittarius. Right now, this person is in the Emperor mode. They feel like they are the only Emperor, and they could do anything with you. And secondly, I'm sensing this person could be a very stubborn, very stubborn. So what is pile 1 person currently feeling for? Pile 2 person currently feeling for them. What is pile 2 person currently feeling for them? Angel Spirit, please guide me wisely and relevantly. 9 of Wands. So much of fire. Pile 2. And there is 7 of Pentacles. So your person is feeling like they are busy in doing their work right now. They are trying to focusing on their work right now. And secondly, I'm sensing they want to come towards you, then again they are stopping. They want to meet you, then again they are stopping, because this person is showing their attitude to you. And they are very stubborn. If they want you, they will come to you. Somewhere I'm sensing that this person might have some financial issues. So this person is trying to guard themselves. So there is lots of fire energy in their chart, and there is lots of Capricorn energy too in their chart. Let's see more what there can be their next move for pile 2. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is pile 2 next move for their person? What is pile 2 person next move for them? The Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Page of Cups. Wow. So nice. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The Devil. And end of the deck is 5 of Wands. So this person is very much confused. Very confused. Like, I feel like they are fighting with themselves, or somewhere gossiping is going on around with your person. They are gossiping, or some people are gossiping with them about you, that don't go to her or him, they are not nice, etc. They are doing that with you, etc with you. So you don't have to go to that person. And I'm also sensing something, the cycle is ending now, and this cycle will be turning your way very soon with the Wheel of Fortune. So this person will be taking action for you, and they will be coming with an engagement ring or something. I'm getting word engagement, so I said that. And this person is coming towards you. They are dreaming about you a lot with this Page of Cups, and this person wants to offer you a lot. So they are ready to give you love, and they want to be with you forever with the Devil card. I'm not getting the vibe of darkness right now in this energy. They just want to they want to capture you along whole time. They don't want to leave you. They want to be addicted towards you. But there is no darkness right now, I'm sensing. Yeah. So this person will want to capture you. They want to dominate you basically. So let's check out what is there for you from my energy oracle cards. Wait a second, guys. My cards is just like, okay. So what is pile 2 person currently feeling right now? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is pile 2 person currently feeling right now? Am I audible to you guys? Please let me know in comment box if I'm audible, pile 2. What is pile 2 person currently feeling and what are their next move? Strategy. I told you this person will make some strategy with 9 of Wands. Right now this person is guarding themselves. They are like trying to protect their energy from you. So they will be making strategy. Right now this person has some financial problem and they are trying to focusing on their work. Once their work is done or when the cycle end of you with them for of regarding some past issues or whatever it is, so this person will be making some strategy and they will come with the page of cups to give you a love offer once again. And number 21 is very important here, guys. Okay, so this person will be making some strategy very soon. Broken heart. So this person heart is totally broken without you and they are like, I think you might have like said them, okay, you want to go, you go, I really don't care. You might be having options, I have options too. For some I'm getting this vibes, for others I'm getting vibes like, okay, you go ahead. If you don't care about me, if you are a despo, act despo, go and act despo. So some words has might hurt them and they are feeling heartbroken. Number 9 is very important here. Number 21 could be your age or this person age. So there is the sun card. So this person is coming towards with you with a marriage offer and they want a child with you, the next move. Okay guys, with the sun card, and this person could come with the community and like 5 of Wands. I am getting energy of with this card also. There is some gossip going around with your person and you, and some fights with some community people or family issues. For others there are your friends who's gossiping behind your back, so be careful. And let's see what your love feelings are, what your person love feelings are. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is pile 2 person currently feeling right now? What is pile 2 person currently feeling right now? What is pile 2 person currently feeling right now? Pay attention to red flags. The signs are cautioning you. For some, this person will come to break your heart, what I am sensing. For others, this person, the cycle is turning into your way. So you need to pay attention whatever signs you are getting. You will get a red signs, red flags. Stop, stop, stop. Don't move forward. You need to guard yourself. Let's see what is more there for you. What is pile 2 person currently feeling for them? What is pile 2 person currently feeling for them? Flirt. So this red flags are cautioning you because you might have broken this person a heart and this person is again coming back for you to take revenge and they will flirt with you. So these signs are for you only, red flags. Don't let this person to come in your life very easily, but for some this person have very good intention with page of cups, with the wheel. So I'm getting good vibes for some. For others you need to be careful whom you are dealing with right now. So what is pile 2 person next move for them? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is pile 2 person's next move for them? Make the effort. So this person is coming towards you and they will make the effort to get your love back and get you back, because great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. So this person is ready to give you love, make their effort, and they might marry you. I am getting vibes of marriage, baby. राइट नाउ दे आर इन एम्प्रर एनर्जी. ये बहुत ज़िद्दी हो सकते हैं, प्लस दे आर लाइक वेरी स्टबर्न राइट नाउ. They don't want to make a move. They are just like they want to rest and just focus on their work. And there is keep an open mind. End of the deck. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type experience. So some of you are dealing here with your soulmate and they are very much opposite from you. And this person could be very charming personality and many ladies die over them, or girl, woman, or whosoever. Okay, so You need to be careful. For some, for others, this is your soulmate who's coming back in your life. So this was my pile 2 reading. If anything is resonating with you, please let me know on comment box, and don't forget to like my channel pile 2. So this was my pile 2 reading. Now let's move to pile 3. Those who have chosen Muse Tarot, the Muse Tarot, let's see what is there for you. What your person currently feeling right now, and what are your person next move. So I'll keep this card aside, and let's see what are your person currently feeling right now. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is pile 3 person currently feeling right now? What is pile 3 person currently feeling right now? What is pile 3 person currently feeling right now? Ace of Emotions, Ace of Cups, 7 of Cups. So this person have lots of options. This person do love you. They want to love you. They want to give you love, but at a time. Those who have chosen pile 3, your person is having lots of options. So this person is getting very much confused. They are daydreamer and they are very deceptive. Lots of water energy is there. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. The Chariot. 5 of Inspiration. 5 of Wands. So there is the Hierophant. I got 4 cards over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And the end of the deck is Muse of Inspiration. This could be Muse of Wands. 2 of Wands. Okay, so fire, lots of fire is there, and lots of water signs is there. Okay, and so this person wants to give you love, but they have lots of options right now. So this person is taking lots of time with Chariot, but this person will definitely come towards you right now. They are trying to make some balance. And 5 of Wands, and they are again trying to fight with the others and themselves too to come towards you. Okay, this was at pile 2 also, so you can watch even my pile 2. This is regardlessly same over there. And the Hierophant. So I'm getting like somewhere there is some mother who's taughting them something, or there is someone who is like they don't want you to let come in their family, and this person is quite thinking right now what to do. And the other way showing this person could be a very family oriented, a very traditional person. They have lots of traditional value. Okay, so I'm getting this person. So this person is waiting right now to come towards you with the Muse of Inspiration. Right now, somewhere there is moon conjuncting between you both. So this person is both having mood swings right now. And this person is trying to trying to like think what to do, what not to do. Basically, I'm getting this kind of energy somewhere. And this person is walking forward to come to you, but somewhere something is stopping them again. So what is pile 3 person next move? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is pile 3 person next move? 4 of Wands, 4 of Inspiration, Fire, Muse of Material, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So this could be 2 of Pentacles, Page of Material, Ace of Pentacles. So what is pile 3 person next move for them? Muse of Voices. So this is Ace of, this could be Ace of Swords. Yes, Ace of Swords, 2 of Swords, 9 of Materials. Lots of Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy is here, and fire in the charts too. Justice. And end of the deck is 7 of Emotions, 7 of Cups. So again, I'm getting same energy. Literally, this person is deceptive right now, and they are daydreaming a lot. A daydreamer, visionary. So this person want the stability with you with their next move, and they want a happy family. And right now this person is juggling because they might have lots of options. So this person will be taking very slow move to come forwards towards you. Okay guys, and this person is right now going on crossroad with Muse of Voices and Muse of Pentacles. Somewhere this person is juggling between you and the other person, or for others this could be a financial issues. So there is nine of materials, nine of pentacles. So this person knows that you are very beautiful and you don't care. You are just what are you in your personality. So this person is seeing you growing right now. You are damn beautiful. So this person is also sensing you like you are their wish fulfillment. So this person will be ready to give you justice. Somewhere there is a karmic cycle also. So this karmic cycle will be ending very soon, and you will be getting your justice with this person very very soon for some. Okay, now let's check out what your energy oracle says. What is pile 3 person currently feeling right now? What is pile 3 person currently feeling right now? Angel Spirit, please guide me relevantly. So there is community. Third party is there for some, for others. This person want a family with you. They are coming with their family. This is just like pile 2. I think you should watch the pile 2, pile 3. Number 7, strategy. So what is pile 3 person? Next move is door to spirit. Lovely card. And let's see more. What is more there for you? What is pile 3 person? Next move for them. A temple path. So you both are in spiritual journey right now. There is like door to value also, end of the deck. A very beautiful card again. Number 31, 7, 21, 32 and 12 is very important over here. Okay, so this person can come up to you within a 6 months or a 1 year. Pile 3 and number 12. So you both are going to some karmic cycle which is going to end, and this person will come up with you with a strategy. This person could be family oriented, and there is a door to spirit. So this love will take you to the spirit, a door to spirit, healing and happiness. Somewhere you will get a peace with this person, and you will get a justice definitely. So there is door to value. So there is lots of abundance coming up with you and this person within a year or after some months. Okay, so this was my pile 3 reading. If anything is resonating with you guys, please let me know on comment box pile 3. Okay, and don't forget to share my channel and subscribe as much as you can. So thank you, and if you want personal reading, I'm always available, and lots of love to you. Thank you for your support. Bye bye. Take care.